So here is the Ninja WoodFire outdoor grill. So in this video, we're going to set it up for you. It's really easy. So I just wanted to show you what you get in the box. And you'll see here that it's pretty much almost all put together. There's just a couple handles you put on the side here. And then you put that thing you're seeing. That's where all the pellets go. We're actually going to show you that here in a little bit. So in the box, you get the actual grill itself. And you get some pans, depending on what you want to cook. Get the grease pans, and you got the cup for the pellets. Comes with 2 little bags of pellets and a quick start guide. So it can give you some ideas on what to cook on the thing. And then inside here, we got the air fry pan, and we got the grill part. That's where the burgers are going to go. And we're going to show you some later on this video. So stick around for that. Very easy to use. There's like a preheat function. And putting the pellets in, it's just a matter of putting it into the cup and then opening the door for it and putting it in. You will smell the pellets as things are cooking, and it just gives just an added taste to whatever you're cooking on there, whether it be steaks. We're cooking burgers in this. I absolutely love this thing. So easy to use. Our burgers tasted amazing on this thing. It's a Ninja Outdoor Grill.